Hi again! We're going to practice the past simple tense because after doing this exercise, exercise 18, you're going to write your own fairy tale. So first, as practice, you're going to fill the gaps of this fairy tale, the 3 little pigs, with past simple tense verbs. This exercise includes all of the types of past simple tense verbs you've seen, the regular verbs that you've looked at in this unit, as well as the past simple tense of to be, to have, and to go. Let's review the last 3 before doing some examples together. Remember that when forming the past simple of to have, we simply change it to had. It doesn't matter what the subject is, it is always had. When we're using the verb to be in the past simple tense, remember that you do need to look at the subject. Depending on the subject, it will be either was or were, okay, for the affirmative. And remember that in the negative form, you're going to add the word not behind was or were. To form the past simple tense of to go, remember that it's similar to have in that in the affirmative, it doesn't matter what the subject is. It's always going to be went, okay? It changes always to went. Now, if it's negative, remember that it's going to change to did not go. Did not go. Again, the subject does not matter in this case either. Let's practice with some examples. Once upon a time, there be 3 little pigs. How do we know what to change be to in the past simple tense? Well, we look at 3 little pigs, which could also be they, so we put it as were. They were. That's the past simple form of to be for they. What about here with the verb to have? They have to build their own houses in the forest. What happens with have in the past simple tense? Does the subject matter? Does it matter if it's they or I or you? No, it's always had. Let's look at an example with one of the regular verbs that you've looked at in this unit. Want. Want is a regular verb that follows the rules to form its past simple tense. Want ends in a consonant, and it has another consonant before it. So we're going to add ed. So it's going to be he wanted to eat the 3 little pigs. Our last example together is going to be with the verb go. To go is an irregular past simple tense verb. Now, try to think. Is the subject important when changing go into the past simple tense form? No. We only have to look at whether it's affirmative, negative, or a question. In this case, it's affirmative. So what is the affirmative past simple form of go? Went. So even though the subject is he, it doesn't matter. It's going to go ahead and be and went to sleep. We've now done examples of the different types of verbs that you're going to see in this exercise. Complete the story and fill the gaps in by remembering which rules to follow, both for regular and irregular verbs. Good luck!